Hi, in this question we are given 2 oranges, 3 bananas and 4 apples cost 15 rupees. So let's say the cost of an orange is O, cost of each banana is B and cost of each apple is A. So cost of 2 oranges will be 2O, cost of 3 bananas will be 3B, cost of 4 apples will be 4A, and the total cost of these 3 together is 15 rupees. Let's call this as the first equation. Next is 3 oranges. So we have now 3 oranges plus 2 bananas plus 1 apple. Together it costs 10 rupees, which is, let's say, equation 2. Now I bought 3 oranges, so 3O, 3 bananas 3B and 3 apples 3A. So what is the cost of this? Now this is a question based on L and M method that we have done in special equations. So basically this equation will be a combination of these two equations, a combination in certain way. Okay, so either you can use that LM method, but the coefficients here are such that this question becomes pretty easy. You don't have to use the LM method. What you can simply see, what you need to figure out is 3O, 3B, 3A. That means thrice of O plus B plus A, right? So if we can figure out this, we can multiply it with 3 and calculate the answer, correct? So let's add both these equations first. So if you add, what you have is 5O, here you'll have 5B and here you'll have 5A. This is equal to 25. And dividing by 5 we get O plus B plus A is equal to 25 by 5 is 5. So this becomes 5. So the final answer here will be thrice of 5, which is 15 rupees. Hence the answer to this question is option C, 15 rupees. Right. So this is, if it strikes you, this is how you can simplify. Now if it does not strike you that we can simply add these two equations, then what you need to do is you need to use the LM method. And how to go about it, let's discuss that now. So what you can do is, let's say this equation is multiplied with L and this equation is multiplied with M. And we have added both these equations such that once you add, you'll get this equation. So let's see. If you multiply L and M in these two equations and add them, the coefficient of O will be 2 into L plus 3 into M. We are adding both these equations, right? So 2 into L plus 3 into M is going to be the coefficient of O. Similarly, of coefficient of B will be 3 into L plus 2 into M. 3 into L plus 2 into M, B. And finally the coefficient of A will be 4 into L plus 1 into M. So 4L plus M into A is equal to 15 into L plus 10 into M. 15L plus 10M. Correct? Now this equation should be similar to this equation, or should be same as this equation here. Let's say this cost is C. So if we can somehow make the left hand side equal to this whole thing, the right hand side will automatically be equal. So what you need to do is, here we need the coefficient of O to be 3. So what we can see is 2L plus 3M should be equal to 3. Similarly, a coefficient of B will be B should be 3 here. So we have 3L plus 2M should be 3. And similarly, the coefficient of A should also be 3. So this becomes 4L plus M should also be 3. Now this is a bonus case, as in you have 2 variables but 3 equations. So let's solve these 2. Right? Let's solve these 2. Multiplying this equation with 2. If you multiply this with 2, we get 4L plus 6M is equal to 6. And subtracting this equation from this, we get 6M minus M is 5M. 4L minus 4L is 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. So M comes out to be 3 by 5. Now if M is equal to 3 by 5, from here we say 4L should be 3 minus M, which is 3 by 5. So 4L should be equal to 15 minus 3, 12 by 5. Which effectively gives us that L is equal to 12 goes by 4 3 times. So L is also equal to 3 by 5. L and M are both equal to 3 by 5. This is what we get. Okay, so now if we substitute L and M equals to 3 by 5 both, this becomes 3O, this becomes 3B, this becomes 3A, and this becomes 15 into 3 by 5 plus 10 into 3 by 5. 15 goes by 5, 3 into 3 is 9, plus 10 goes by 5, 2 into 3 is 6, 9 plus 6 is 15. So 3O plus 3B plus 3A comes out to be 15. Hence the answer is option C. But you see, this is a slightly longer way of doing this question. If it strikes you that you can simply add them and figure out the value of O plus B plus A, that makes the question much more simpler. Thank you.